Hi, I'm Anya from Zephyr Stone. We're an interior design studio based on the Gold Coast in Queensland. We specialise in designing mid to high-end homes. We have a number of clients and we also share the process of our projects with our audience to share tips and tricks for those people who are just starting their journey in designing or renovating their own homes. These two new homes are our Coral House and our Retreat House, and they're both designed for functional, low-maintenance living. One's coastal inspired, and that includes finishes like timber, white and grey, and really a little bit more relaxed and aesthetic. And then the Retreat House is more understated luxury, so it has beautiful marble look porcelain throughout the home and understated but slightly more luxurious and a richer colour palette. A home without window furnishings is like a home without furniture because it really finishes off the space and can transform a room. Fabrics like sheer curtains add texture to a space, they soften a space, they filter light and provide really good privacy during the day. All your window furnishings also add to heat control in a home by blocking direct sun and really just make a home have that real relaxing and calming feeling when you come home to really be a space that you feel comfortable in. We love using DIY blinds. We love working with them as a team. They really make the whole process of furnishing our homes just so easy. And we also love that all the products are Australian made. So it means we have very short lead times, and that means running our projects is so much easier. So we love DIY blinds because it gives you the option to either install yourself or have someone install the blinds for you. And it's really easy to order online. Their website's fantastic. It's so easy to see the full range of fabrics. And then you can also order samples of your favorite fabrics to compare them in your home to your other finishes, making the whole process absolutely seamless. From the DIY blinds range, we've used Illusion Snow in our recent projects. The Illusion range is really our go-to when it comes to sheer curtain fabrics. They've got beautiful texture and they do a great job of filtering light, but you can still see outside, and it really still allows that connection with outdoors whilst providing a good deal of privacy during the day. So it's really easy to organise samples. You can do that through the website and they're express posted to you free of charge. And then in terms of measuring, you can do that yourself or someone from DIY Blinds can come out and measure for you. And that goes with installation as well. So it really makes the whole process of ordering and installation easy, and you can customise so you can do as much or as little as you want.